Oh, I know. Look, they're all over the posts. Big guys too. All right, guys, morning time, October 13th, 2021. Got some deer greeting us here in the morning, a little family of them. We just saw a big family of vultures. But the deer pretty much hung out at our camp all night. I woke up in the middle of the night even, and it was just out there by the fire. Pretty cool campground overall. Lots of wildlife running around. Look at that, more deer. There's two more. One there. They're just all over the place. But nobody's feeding them. I mean, I haven't seen anybody feed them. We haven't fed them, so they're just used to people, basically. Pretty fun, though. And there's a lot of frogs and toads that came out at night where I couldn't actually get them on camera because it was so dark, but a lot of toads and frogs and all kinds of stuff comes out at night here. Either way, we're hitting the road. We got about 5.5 hours to drive here towards Pensacola. We'll see you guys in a bit. There he is, the elusive cardinal. They're hard to get on camera. Let's see. Alright guys, after a long day of driving, we've made it to our destination here. We're right outside of Pensacola, Florida. You go down to the beach, you can kind of see the city a little bit and stuff. But we're here at, it's called Big Lagoon State Park. Took us about, 5 hours or so to drive here today. And there's some people driving by wondering what I'm filming here. It was a long drive, it was a long, boring drive. There wasn't really much between where we were and where we ended up today as far as, exciting things to do. There wasn't any fun stops. We had to stop and buy some food and stuff like that, but other than that, it was pretty much nothing. But right behind our camp, we got this marsh wetland area. There's cardinals flying around back here. I'm hoping to maybe see an alligator of some kind. So far though, the state park is nice. The sites are nice, the sites are private. I mean, we're all kind of fenced in, as you can see there. If you go back over here, just more fencing around, and then there's bushes all the way around the campsite too, so actually pretty private for a state park. Some of the other state parks are really just cram them in there, so that's kind of nice. Florida's been all right in that sense, actually. Just finishing getting set up here. I actually had to dig out the fire pit because somebody had just filled it with a bunch of rubbish, basically, for no reason. It's nice of them to leave that for us. Watching for cardinals and alligators back here. We've seen the cardinals already. I'm thinking there might be some alligators back here. We're not sure. Either way, we have a breeze at this campsite. We haven't had a breeze in 3 days. It's just been so hot, so we're kind of just, even though we're not swimming on the beach today like we were other days, it's nice because it's hopefully going to be cooler tonight. We even bought some extended battery packs to go with our little rechargeable fan, so hopefully our fan makes it through the whole night, because it's been dying about 4 or 5 hours in, and then it's hot after that. We'll see how tonight goes though. Alright, get the fire going. So, I don't usually record this, I should. So you have to chop these bigger ones up into small pieces so you can start it, because there's pretty much nothing that you can grab. There's been several places that we've camped where there's basically no firewood whatsoever. Nothing dry, nothing usable. I'm not using the Georgia fatwood again tonight. I'm saving it for a special night. Sun's going down. We're starting to get the fire going to cook dinner. Just got it started. Yeah, gonna get some more. I was gonna say Impossible burgers, but they're not. They're incognito. Gonna get them going.